I'm going to show you how to connect and publish customer reviews to your website. The first step is to go to the business menu and connect services. We can then go to the reviews tab. You can allow imports from Google reviews and from Auto Trader reviews. The same with car dealer reviews, although you need an API key, which you can contact them for. If you'd like to display reviews from another third-party company, I'll show you how to do that later in the video. But for now, we can just save these changes, and these reviews will be imported every Monday. We can manage imported reviews by going to Business, Customer Reviews. When the reviews are imported on the Monday, you'll have an option to approve them, which we can't see in this example. There is also a shortcut to just approve all the reviews that come in. Below this, we have the ability to add reviews manually. You can just type in the customer name, the source of the review, and then the review itself. You can select whether it's verified or not, and then just add the review. You'll see that this appears here, and it will also be able to be included on the website modules we'll discuss next. To display the reviews on our website, we'll next go to Website and Pages. For the purposes of this demo and showing you the different web modules that can display reviews, we'll create a new one. Let's call this Reviews 2 for now. There are 3 dedicated reviews modules. So if we go here and just search Review. Reviews page displays a full page of customer reviews, and Reviews chooses randomly selected reviews. These are the 2 modules to use to display the reviews we have imported into MotorDesk. We'll look at these 2 first, and then we'll do Reviews Embed afterwards, which is for embedding third-party widgets. So if we first do the Reviews page, you can see that this creates a full page of customer reviews. You can choose to include or exclude certain information, so if we don't want to see where they're from or the source of the review, you can take them out and you can see that's been updated. Then we have the usual color palette choices, but below that you can choose a maximum number of reviews for the page or a maximum length of the review. You can choose to randomize the order as well, which will make the page look slightly different each time it's clicked on. You can customize the heading and add any text you like, which will go in the paragraph below. Once you're happy with that, you can obviously save the changes. The dedicated reviews page will look like this when it's published. If we now remove this one, we can check out the reviews module that randomly selects reviews. Again, it works in the same way. You can choose the heading and add a paragraph below. You can then choose what's included on the reviews. You can choose the number of reviews, so you might want to limit it to 2, and you can also add a character limit. This can be useful if you're looking to embed a couple of reviews above a page that's not dedicated to reviews. So this could even be the home page. You could have some information above, information below, and you just want to break up the page with a couple of reviews, or even up to 4 reviews. So on our home page, just above the latest vehicles, we could just insert a quick review module to display a few, let's shorten them a little bit, reviews. We can apply that. And now our page has these reviews just above. Now we can look to add the Reviews Embed module. This requires an API key from the third party, for example, from FIFO. If you have reviews somewhere that you want to include that we haven't done by default, then just get in contact and we'll see if we can link a widget for you. And when your API for FIFO, for example, is linked, you can choose how it's displayed. You can also add reviews to the side of a content page module. So if we select that, so I've just typed in some random content, but just for the purpose of showing you that in the sidebars, you can, under this auto content section, just add reviews in there. That'll put a review in the first side box. If you wanted to just dedicate all your side boxes to different reviews, you can do so. When published, that will look like this.